Okay, dear students, I'm going to explain to you what you need to do to upload the videos and the links for the Google slide presentations and what you need to type on the website. First, you need to open a tab that says wordpress.com. Once you open the tab, you are going to log in. The username that you are going to use is Shadow Hills Science, SCIOLY. The password is Science Rocks, SCIENCEROCKS. One word, no spaces in between. Once you are on the website, on the left side, it says My Site. You're going to click on My Site. Once you are on My Site, you are going to look for the page that belongs to you. So you click right here on the left side where it says Site Pages. And Site Pages is going to give you a list of different pages. So you are going to choose the one that you were working on, depending on your group, whether it was group A or group B. So I'm going to take, for example, cellular respiration group A. You are going to click on the page, and then you're going to come with an empty page. On this area right here, all this area, you are going to type or paste the one-page summary of your project. So all this area right here, all this is for you to type the one-page summary, and you are going to do it on this area. Now, what else are you going to do? Right below the summary, you are going to create a link for the Google slide presentation. So this is what you are going to do. I'm going to give you an example. When you go to your drive, and I'm going to take an example of a Google slide. So I'm going to show you one, for example, this one, the water cycle video. So this is a Google slide presentation. So you are going to right click, and then here it says get a shareable link. You are going to click right here to do sharing settings. You are going to make sure that this part that says anyone in Palmdale district with the link and view, you are going to modify that. You're going to click on more, and you're going to click on public on the web. So it doesn't matter who is able to open it, as long as they have the link, they're able to open it. So you're going to save that. Now you are going to copy the link. So copy. You are going to go back to the page, and here, for example, you are going to write cellular respiration slide presentation. You are going to highlight that area. You are going to click on the link. and then you are going to paste the link that you had, and then you are creating a link. So whenever you click on it, it's going to open the Google slide presentation. The next thing that you are going to do, you are going to embed the video. So this is going to take a little bit longer. It's going to be more steps. So this is what you are going to do. On your Spark Adobe Video account, you have your video. So here what you are going to do is you are going to download. So you're gonna, again, you put your mouse in the middle of the video. Here where you see the three dots, you click on it, you are going to download. When you ask it to download, this is going to take a few minutes, and it's going to show you the video, and eventually it's gonna say this. It's gonna take time until it downloads. So do not get frustrated. It's going to take time to download. How will you know that it has downloaded? On the bottom left, look here on the bottom left, it says Tech Leader MP4. So this is going to download as an MP4 video, which is right here on the bottom. So I already downloaded this. What are you gonna do with that? You are going to open a tab, and it's called you're gonna go to your YouTube account. In your YouTube account, where you have YouTube, so you have YouTube, and on the right side you have create a video. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna say upload a video, and it's going to take you to this page, and in this page it says that you're able to upload a video. When you download the video, you have two options. Either you can select it from a file, or you can just drag it. Once you drag the video, and I'm going to show you the ones I already have on my page. Here you will have the videos that I have on my page. Here I already have the video. And probably you have already done this before. Here where it says share, you click on share, and then here on the bottom you click on embed, and then here it says embed video. You are going to copy, so you're going to copy this. Here actually you can click on copy, and then you are going to go back to your WordPress page. You are going to click on HTML, and then you are going to add it right here on the bottom. You're going to paste when you embed it. You click back on visual, and now it shows the video. So that's what you are going to have. At the end, you are going to click on update. Once it is updated, in order for you to verify that everything is there, you can click on preview. And on preview, if you want to check your page, so for example, I did cellular respiration, is right there. Your summary should be on this side. The link for the Google presentation should be right after, and then your 1-minute video. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can ask me.